Okay, so here we have, I'm going to do a review and a build of the Junkers Ju-86 E1/E2 German bomber. I'm building this for my son, to his scheme, so let's get on. So this is the box. These are the instructions. As you can see, pretty basic. Okay, there's 2 sprues, and just flip this over. The decals are for these 2 different camos, one all dark green and one dark green and light green, the RLM 71 and 70. Okay. Here are the decals. A little bit old, a little bit young. Let's see if we can use them. Okay. These are the clear parts. You get a stand with it as well. They're not too bad. Pretty clear. Okay. It's a grey plastic, a dark grey plastic. Raised detail. And I think there's a great deal of detailing inside the fuselage. No, there's nothing at all. And here is the second sprue. Okay. Just let me move the decals. So, it is a very old kit. I'm not sure how old it is. I'll check on scale mates and put the date down below. As you can see, pretty basic. Understand. So yeah, I'm going to do a video build, never done one before, and we'll see how we get on. Okay, I'll catch you later. Okay, on with the build. You can see on the line indicated just here, there's supposed to be quite a pronounced groove in which to put the deck, the flight cabin, which is that. This must be an old kit. As you can see, that the only actual markings are here. Oh dear, my phone's not picking this up very well. Are just here and here, and there's a slight groove there where I assume this section will fit. Okay. On the tree themselves, there are no numbers, so you have to keep going back to this map to find out where the parts are on the sprues. I've cut both parts of the fuselage off and put them together, and they fit very well indeed. As you can see, the panel lines are raised, but I can live with that. I'm not. That doesn't bother me. So yeah, that's what I've done so far. It's going pretty well. I shall paint those parts soon and do the pilot separate and put those in, and I'll work out a way of putting all this I think it's a bathtub gun, and the interior detail. I'll work out a way of putting that in really well. As you can see there are grooves, and on the model itself you can just see the faint lines here, here and here. Sorry about the shaky hands. So yeah, okay. As you can see, so far the fit is not fantastic. But it's getting there. Okay, so This part is where the bathtub, where the lower gunner, the mechanism fits in there, and it's supposed to slide up and down. Obviously it's going to be quite loose, as I'm undecided whether to have it so it does go up and down, or whether to have it fixed in the down or the up position. I'll make my mind up as I go along. Sorry about the shaky video, but so far, yeah, I'm enjoying it. So I'm spraying the interior and lots of the interior details with Tamiya XF22, which is RLM grey, which is their equivalent to RLM02. I've thinned my paints with the airbrush thinner, the Vallejo, and when I've done, I shall clean my brush with Vallejo airbrush cleaner. Okay, so I'm on at 11 psi, and I've already mixed my paint and thinned it, and it's already in the cup ready to go. So here we go. So you see it's quite thin, nice lovely even coats. So I'm just getting around the doorways. Okay, and again there. I'm not sure how much will be seen. Okay, move on to the interior. Place thin coats. I normally wear a mask, but while I'm narrating I can't wear a mask. Okay, so that looks pretty good. And onto the fuselage. So we'll spray the back of them. Nice. So give this little section a bit more paint, I think. Yeah. And I'll pick out the details later, as well as paint and put in the pilots. You see the bomb. Stop shaking. You see, oh, that's some attempt at bomb bay. The bombs, I believe. Again, I'll spray that because I don't know how much will be seen when the aircraft's together. Okay, that's good. Right, thank you. Okay, quick rundown of what I've done so far. I've found out I made a little mistake. This section here, I glued it too far down to the base, so I've lifted it and restuck it and touched it up with paint. I've added the decal. It's a little bit basic, but I don't mind. You won't see a great deal when the canopy's on. I've started painting figures. Okay, so the pilot here, I've removed his legs, so it will make it easy for them to fit into the seat, and you won't see a great deal anyway when the canopy's on. So I've started painting those figures and put them together. The wings, okay, I've glued those together. Excellent fit, fantastic. Just run a little bead of glue on them and they fit together really well. So it's all looking good so far. what else can I say? The fuselage section. We put them, you can see already the work I've already done there. I've decided I'm going to do the bathtub gun position in the up. So here we go. So that fits on really well, as you can see. So far so good, looking really great. Okay, so I'm going to glue both halves of the fuselage together now. The instructions tell you to put the pilots in and the gunners and that, but I'm going to do that after. So I'm just going to stick this together with a little bit of Revel contact glue. So we'll run a bead across. Not in trouble. There we go. Once it starts to come, we're alright. Okay, so running a bead of glue across all the way. This kit was, I believe, a 1976 kit. So she's 40 odd years old. But, yeah, not bad. Looking good. Looking good. Let's take a little bit more off here. A tiny bit. Just push that together. And then stick that on like that. Okay. So there we are. It's looking good. Looking good so far. Really nice.